Friends, if you want to know how to choose a broker without losing your money, then this video is a lifesaver for you. People often open accounts after seeing popular ads, but later realize that 15 to 20 hidden charges have eaten up all their profits. Today, I will tell you about 5 such mistakes that 90% of beginners make. And trust me, the 4th mistake is the most dangerous one. The first big mistake, only looking for zero brokerage. Brother, brokerage might be zero, but what about DP charges, AMC and STT? In simple words, if you sold 10 shares, 15 to 20 rupees extra gets deducted. Check whether your broker provides transparency or not. Second mistake, ignoring the tech. Suppose the market is crashing and your app hangs. Game over. Boss, even big players like Zerodha or Upstocks sometimes can't handle the load. Look at how the order execution speed is. Third mistake, not checking customer support. When your money is stuck, you don't want a robot, you need a human to talk to. Before opening an account, send an email to their help desk. If the reply comes after 2 days, understand that the situation is bad. The fourth mistake, RMS risk. Now comes the mistake that nobody tells you about. RMS, which means risk management system. Small brokers often give higher leverage, but their system is weak. When market volatility hits, they cancel your order without even telling you. Last mistake, trusting them without checking SEBI registrations. Always go to the scores, SCORES portal, and check the broker's track record. If the complaint ratio is high, stay away. Real wealth is that which is safe. If you guys are also interested in the IPO which comes across India or the other countries, you can watch this video of mine, and before applying you can just see that these mistakes should be avoided. Watch my next video which is on 5 mistakes to avoid before applying an IPO. I have explained in details how you can avoid these mistakes before applying an IPO. Till then, keep investing. Thank you so much for watching.